Good morning, friends. It is Saturday, it's October the 12th, and I am here on Carolina Beach, North Carolina, where I've been for about the last 10 days. If you haven't watched my last couple of videos, please go back and watch so you can catch up because things are wild around here. My partner Nathan and I and our pupper left Black Mountain, North Carolina on Thursday, September 27th, which was the day that Hurricane Helene started coming through. We didn't know at the time that we were evacuating the storm. I was just stressed out about missing the Nathaniel Rateliff and the Night Sweats concert. And then it ended up that things were way worse in our area than anyone could have ever thought, and we have not gotten back since then. Our house is okay. We are all okay. We're really thankful. After seeing everything that happened back home, we decided to stay over on the eastern side of the state because there was no power and water, and we were safe. We had the resources we needed, so we have just been staying over here so that I can continue to work remotely. And now we are going back for the first time, but only for a week, because we have decided to lease a place over here in Wilmington. And I'm going to tell you guys more about that. We're going to go back home, see what's going on there. I will show y'all kind of some of the stuff that's happening in my area. And we will talk about coming over here to the beach more permanently. We are still going to have our house in Black Mountain. It's a family house, so we'll still have it and be able to go back and forth. And moving to the beach is honestly something that we wanted to do for a long time. So it's like a best of both worlds kind of situation. And I'm excited about it, but I also just have a lot of feelings about the storm and everything that's going on, and it's a lot. So we'll dive into it throughout this video, but let's go get started. For those of y'all that don't know me, hey, I'm Maggie. So I'm the owner and CEO of Rainwater Poster Co., a roots music agency, and I serve artists and events in Western North Carolina and across the United States. And I live in Black Mountain, North Carolina. I also work full-time in tech support, and when I'm not doing some kind of work thing, I'm probably still going to a show because concerts are my favorite thing ever. And then I also bring you guys along on my traveling, thrifting, running, all of those sort of adventures. So please hit the like button on this video if you're interested in following along, and please subscribe to help my channel grow, and I appreciate it so much. All right, we gotta go home. Let's go. I'm a little nervous. When we go to the Chick-fil-A, Bible gets nuggos. Okay, bud, let's see how we can do this. All right, you gotta do your sit. Do your sit for the nice people in the camera. There you go. Good job. Here you go. Ooh, delicious. Is that good, bud? All right, friends. I'm back home in Black Mountain, North Carolina. Things are definitely like more cleaned up now, but you can see like how high the water came and the debris and stuff around the river. So this is one of my regular running routes. Can't go through there anymore. Oof. Y'all can see like all this debris and stuff. It's pretty crazy. This was all grassy fields. This was all disc golf course. And our bridge is out. So this was the art gallery here in Black Mountain. Got torn up pretty bad. I hate this for them. They would have little yard sales out here every Saturday morning. And over here, you will see that the bridge is indeed out. Testing out the zoom on this new iPhone. That's as close as I'm gonna get, you guys. This is our cute little Swannanoa River. She really did some damage. Already seeing so many people giving out stuff. So kind. All right, friends. We are here. We are cleaning out the refrigerator and trying to get the kitchen straightened up. It's a great time. It's honestly like not as bad as I thought, but definitely needs to be cleaned out. Well, friends, I am down in the basement and realizing I did lose a few things. I had some books down here that were on the ground. I mean, we didn't get that much water in the basement, but we got enough that anything that was on the ground, I feel like got some water in it. This is a signed book from a dear friend of mine. This is my signed Brandy Carlisle book. Alas, so sad. Very small things in the grand scheme of things. I also had a bed down here. It's particle board, it's from IKEA, so it did not make it. But then anything that was like up off the ground a little bit is totally fine, so it could be a lot worse. Good morning, friends. It's Sunday, it's October 13th. I'm losing track of what day it is. We got back to Black Mountain yesterday, and today my first order of business was to sleep in, and my second order of business was to go looking for some moving boxes. We need to clean out the basement, and we need to get some stuff ready to go to the new house in Wilmington. And also, just like my office is super cluttered right now, and I need to clear that out so I can get some work done. So I came here to the Black Mountain Town Pool. They have got all of the things here. They loaded me up with moving boxes. I got some contractor bags for the things that need to be thrown out in the basement. They've got food. They're making hot meals. They've got showers set up, all the things. It's just like amazing to me, like how well organized everything is and how much help there is in my community right now, and I'm super thankful for that. I've been seeing it like online and everything, but I haven't been here to see it in person. So thank you, Heather at the Black Mountain Pool, for getting me loaded up with moving boxes. So see, the greenway ran all the way through there and all of that is destroyed.
Supper club.
Hey friends, I have spent most of this afternoon cleaning out our basement, and now we are going to go take a shower at the Black Mountain Town pool because that is where the showers are, because there's no water here in town yet that you can shower in. So let's go check it out. Good morning, friends. It's Monday. Fievel and I are doing our morning couch snuggles and getting ready to get the day started. So it is going to be a busy work week for me. I've got my regular day job, I've got business stuff, and we are packing up to move and head back to Wilmington this coming Saturday. So you guys are just gonna see little snippets along the way. Not too exciting because I don't film during my day job work day, but yesterday you guys saw me kind of like packing up. I spent a lot of time cleaning out the basement yesterday and didn't want to show you guys that because it's gross, but that is what's going on over here. So I'm just gonna kind of keep y'all updated throughout the week here in Western North Carolina and then bring you with me when we move over to Wilmington. Good morning, friends. It's Wednesday. I just wanted to pop on real quick and give you guys a quick update. I'm on my way to the YMCA to try to take a shower and maybe get a quick little treadmill run in before work. Still no water here. We also, our HVAC has not come on since the storm because it was in the basement where there was some water. So that's a great time. Wi-Fi's kind of been in and out, but we are here doing as much work as we can and getting ready for the move. And I've honestly not filmed a whole lot because it has not been that exciting, but I'm really excited to move into the Wilmington house this weekend, so I will keep you guys posted on that. All right, hey friends, it is Thursday. We've been packing up and working and getting ready to move and all of the things, but I am wearing real pants and a real outfit for the first time in a little bit and getting ready to go see one of my clients, Darren Nicholson, play. They're having a free event down in Hendersonville. It's gonna be great to see some music. So this is my little outfit. I also did the early voting thing today. Super exciting. This is Free People. These are our Lucky Brands. These are my trusty Fry Moto boots that are my favorite thing ever. This is my mom's favorite earrings, favorite ring that was a gift, and yeah.
Here you go. Ain't no saying why they put 'em in the pen. Ain't no saying, no liquor ain't no saying. It's Southwest Virginia on the Carolina line. There lives the maker boy, known for making shine. From clear mountain streams to sweet corn from Deerfield, it was the smoothest liquor in the hill. People came from far and wide, piled upon each other's lap. I swear the Baker boys put Rose Hill on the map. The Lee County law always looked the other way. They had to have a nipper to each day. Ain't no saying why they put 'em in the pen. Ain't no saying, corn liquor ain't no saying.
All right, folks, we're doing the thing. Our U-Haul is here. Bud, what's going on? What's happening? You look uncertain. You're going to the beach again. Oh, you don't care. You just want a frisbee. Okay. Okay. All right. Hey, bud. You ready to go? You ready to go? Oh my goodness, buddy. Alright friends, we are trying to get some stuff unpacked. I will try to do like more of a tour kind of once we are more unpacked, but we are here, we are working on it. And so if you watched my last two videos, and if you didn't and you're kind of wondering how we got to Wilmington, definitely go back and watch those. I will put them, it would probably be here in, yeah, top corner, wherever that is. I'll put the little links there. But long story short, we left town before Hurricane Helene, not even thinking about evacuating a hurricane, but just because I was having anxiety about missing the Nathaniel Rateliff concert in Raleigh. So we decided to leave early and we ended up like missing the storm, and we were really thankful that we did. And that kind of put us on this crazy journey of like staying over on the eastern side of the state in the aftermath of Helene, because we couldn't get home at first. And then we ended up coming to Wilmington and just started feeling like maybe it was the right time to go ahead and get a place over here because we really love this area. So it seems fitting that this is the first thing to go on my wall in the new house. This is the set list from that show. And yeah, I'll tell y'all more of the story kind of as we go along, but that's basically it. Honestly, like I've been so stressed out lately. I wanted to make more videos, but we've just been busy doing moving stuff. But here it is. It feels really good to be here and to have it up on the wall. All right, y'all. Woo. I needed a good Target run. I haven't been in a while with everything going on. Got my little pumpkin chai. Got some stuff for the bathroom and for my office. And I will kind of show y'all when we get home. It's always fun to do a little Target run. Nathan got a couch. So we are headed there, back to the house. Check that out. And hopefully we'll have things kind of set up enough soon that I can show you guys around at least a little bit. All right, guys, she's coming together. Look at this beautiful couch. This is what my mid-century dreams are made of. I'm so excited. Nathan found it on the Facebook Marketplace. We found this rug at Home Goods. We weren't really thinking about buying a rug yet, but it's super cute. I've had this table for a long time. I actually had it in my old house that was mid-century, so I'm glad we have a spot for it. Our blanket ladder we've had for a while. This artwork Nathan has had for a while. And don't mind the stuff scattered around, but this is my granny's 1950s Formica dining table. This is really the only like family heirloom that I have kind of furniture-wise. And I absolutely love it. We gotta kind of scrub some of the rust off because it's been in the basement for a while, but that's it. I had these chairs to go with it. And yeah, so I will show you guys real quick kind of what I got at Target. Oh, hey bud, are you gonna check everything out? Are you gonna sniff everything? Okay, good job. All right, y'all, let's see. So here's my little rundown, what I got at Target. This is for my office. I'll show you all my office a little bit later. We got this at Home Goods. This is for fruits and vegetables. Target has really like upped their candle game. I got 2 of these. They were only $8 a piece. Let's see. And I like the labels too. That's always fun. Let's see. Paper towel holder, not very exciting. Trash can, also not very exciting. Bath bomb, because I want to come home and take a bath in our new bathtub. Let's see. So then I got a shower curtain and some matching stuff. I got a matching bath mat. This is the Opal House brand. I absolutely love this brand. Let's see, then I got some towels. It had these little matching towel sets and washcloths. And I wasn't gonna get like new towels and stuff yet, but they had them that matched our shower curtain. Anyway, so like what I thought we were gonna do was kind of do a lot of this stuff over time, but we keep finding stuff that will work for the house, and we're more like getting it all done, and then we're going to save money for a little bit. Yeah, that's what's happening. It is what it is. And moving is stressful, and like we keep thinking of things that we didn't realize that we needed. Also, I got a couple of things from the Tabitha Brown collection. Just some little kitchen towels and some coasters because they're fun. All right, let's go put this bathroom together. And here we go. Hopefully we are looking mid-century, modern, etc. Some form of that. All right, hey there friends, I am in Wilmington. I realized I haven't really come on and talked to you guys a whole lot. So we started packing up. We got in the car Saturday morning and we drove down here, and we actually, I feel like, unpacked and got furniture and stuff like that really fast. And then I went back to work yesterday. So it's just been a little bit hectic, and I don't really know what this video is gonna be, but as I've explained in the last two videos, I've just been kind of trying to document as I can this whole experience of accidentally evacuating the hurricane, coming down here, ending up in Wilmington, and deciding to get a place down here. But honestly, I feel like I haven't really had that much exciting stuff to film the last couple of days because it's just been a little bit hectic catching up on stuff. But yeah, I'm hoping this weekend I'm gonna give you guys the official little house tour thing, kind of explain more about where we got some of the stuff. We'll do our first official weekend in Wilmington because this past weekend we were just unpacking. So we will kind of maybe take y'all on a little tour, maybe go out to the beach, maybe go check out some new areas because we're really close to the Castle Street district, and I'm really excited to explore that area. There's some cute little record shops and vintage shops and the kind of things that I like to bring you guys along with. So yeah, if there's anything you're interested in seeing or learning about here in Wilmington, I'm probably interested in it too, so let me know in the comments. And thank you for being here. It's been a crazy time this last month or so, but I am thankful for this channel and having a way to document, because I feel like I'm gonna look back on this time and it's gonna be cool to have this. And I know it's probably been a little bit crazy to follow along with, but thank you guys so much for being here. Please subscribe if you're new here. It really helps my channel grow. I appreciate it very much. And please leave your questions in the comments, and I hope to see you guys back here really soon. Okay, bye.